Today I'm making hamburger patties in the air fryer. Let's get started. Okay, we're going to add a few tasty ingredients. So first we're going to add some Worcestershire sauce, a tablespoon, to our meat. Next, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, about a fourth of a teaspoon of seasoning salt, and just a touch of black pepper. Yes, my hands are clean. I'm just going to press these down, see if I can make them as uniform as possible. And three patties. Put a little indent in there. I understand that it helps them cook better. So I'm going to try it. Now we'll preheat the air fryer at 400 degrees for about 3 minutes. Okay, our air fryer has preheated for 3 minutes. Let's go ahead and add our hamburger patties in. That's a nice sizzle. Carefully placed in. Alright. And we're going to cook these at 400 degrees for 9 minutes. We'll check them with our thermometer a little later. Okay, our timer just went off. The burgers have been cooking for 9 minutes. I'm going to check the internal temperature when they're juicy too. Looks like we're hovering around 140. I'm going to put these back in for about another 3 minutes. Okay, our timer just went off. Let's check our internal temperature. We're looking for a temperature of 160 degrees. 159. 160, we're right there. And I'm going to check this one also. Let's see where we're at. Yep. What are we doing on this one? Yep, they're all three done. Let's go ahead and take them out. Oh my goodness, they're so juicy. If you learned something from this video, be sure and hit that thumbs up. Be sure and subscribe and share with your friends. I really appreciate it. There we are. They are beautiful. And they're still sizzling. Okay, let's go ahead and cut this open and see how it looks. That is beautiful. So that was fast and easy. I appreciate you watching today. Give it a try, and we will see you next time.